Hi, I'm Pedro Placencia with Country Real Estate in California's beautiful Central Coast. Today we're in the gated community of Heritage Ranch at Lake Nacimiento for a tour of this single owner home that's been enjoyed for decades as a family retreat. Let's go have a look. This home was built in 1986 and is located in a nice neighborhood here in Heritage Ranch. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, approximately 1,344 square feet with a 2-car garage. And it's ideal for a first-time buyer. Somebody that wants a modest but nice vacation getaway. Although the lot is just slightly under 6,000 square feet, it feels much bigger. The front yard's good size. There's a really big side yard and a decent sized backyard. And I think part of it is because of the open space behind it makes it feel a lot bigger. From the front door entry, we step right into the living area here. That comes complete with a wood-burning fireplace insert. The large mature tree in the front offers a big canopy that provides a lot of shade, privacy, and a bit of some greenery through the windows here. The living areas have an open floor plan, so it creates a more spacious feel between the living room and the dining area and the kitchen here. One of the really nice features of this home is that the dining area here, you have a glass sliding door that opens to a large deck. That's a pretty new deck. We'll take a look at it in a few minutes. The backyard and lots of open space back here. The deck here is a fantastic extension of the dining and kitchen area. So you can have a table and chairs out here for outdoor al fresco dining with this really nice open view. Beyond the home itself, Heritage Ranch offers an incredible lifestyle with lots of amenities, including gated and controlled entry, a private launch ramp with Lake Nacimiento Marina access, several pools, which includes a lap pool, parks, hiking and riding trails through all the association-owned open space, an equestrian center, and all the fun that comes with the lake living just a short drive from Paso. Plus, the Oak Hill Shopping Center, complete with gas station, car wash, restaurant, a cafe. There's even a post office. And the Oak Hill Market, which is always fully stocked and is one of my favorite places to shop, especially the butcher counter. This home has not been significantly upgraded since it was built, but has been very well maintained. Very clean and well kept all around. The kitchen has lots of cabinets, propane stove, an oven, and good views of that open space below. The countertop also accommodates some bar seating, big enough for, I'd say, 3 to 4, probably 4 stools there, or chairs. Being very well designed, this home also includes indoor laundry in this closet here. And the closet is a little extra wide. There's a shelf there for storage. And it includes both propane and electric for the dryer. And you have the option of potentially updating the kitchen and baths, but you don't have to. It's all very well kept. We'll go ahead and walk down the hallway to the bedrooms and baths. To the right here, you have a coat closet and a linen cabinet. So here's a coat closet, linen cabinet here. The primary bedroom is pretty good size and bright with this double glass sliding door. It features a large walk-in closet and of course a primary bath that's complete with a tub and a shower. Let's go out the glass slider here and take a look. That's a really nice breeze right now. The elevated back deck here is a combination of composite deck material, the wood posts and railing, and a wire filler between the posts. We'll step back inside and finish our tour of the inside of the home. This is the second bedroom. course, a little smaller. We've got privacy with a hedge and some fencing along the side of the house. And a good sized closet here. Some of the hall bathroom has also been redone, and this is a full bathroom as well. And it includes new laminate flooring, newer fixtures, new vanity with Corian countertop, and a new mirror. And the third bedroom here is the smallest of the three. It also gets some good sunlight with shade from the front yard covered roof and shade tree. It also has its own closet, and I think this room could very well serve, of course, as a guest room, but also an office or a sitting or reading room or hobby room. We'll take a quick peek at the backyard. The backyard's really spacious. Has some cool rocks here. But imagine when they built the home, they might have discovered these rocks in the soil and just kept them for landscaping. All the lots and homes in Heritage Ranch back up to some form of green belt or green space, open space, that's owned and maintained by the association. You can see how well mowed it is. Heritage Ranch is considered and has been designated as a fire-wise community, which is really good and helpful. And one of the best features is this beautiful mature oak tree in the backyard. Many homeowners also have like a double gate, which for this property, this lot would really benefit from that, because you can drive through this green belt, the open space, through your double gate back here, and you have plenty of space here to park a boat or RV. So lots of storage space for toys for the lake lifestyle. If you'd like to learn more about this home and others like it on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County or South Monterey County, be sure to reach out to me. I'd love to help.